Imagine the crunch of sugar crystals in a cookie, the delicate sprinkle atop a doughnut, or the satisfying swirl of sweetness in your morning coffee. Have you ever wondered how this seemingly magical ingredient comes to be? The story of sugar is one of nature's generosity, human ingenuity, and a meticulous process that transforms humble sugarcane into the sweetness that brightens our lives. Let's embark on an immersive journey, tracing the steps of this transformation from the lush green fields to the gleaming granules on your kitchen shelf. The journey begins in the heart of tropical and subtropical regions, where sugarcane, a tall, reed-like grass, thrives under the warm sun and abundant rain. Farmers cultivate this plant with care, knowing that its sap holds the key to sweetness. Sugarcane fields stretch for miles, their emerald waves swaying gently in the breeze, promising a bountiful harvest. After about 12 to 16 months, the canes reach maturity, ready to share their sugary treasure. Harvesting sugarcane is both an art and a labor-intensive process. Workers traditionally cut the sturdy stalks by hand with machetes, though modern machinery has eased this task in larger operations. Once harvested, the cane must be processed quickly to preserve its sweetness as its sugars begin to degrade within hours. The freshly cut stalks are transported to sugar mills, where the next stage of the transformation begins. Here, the canes are washed, shredded, and fed into massive rollers that crush them with tremendous force, squeezing out their sweet juice. This juice, a cloudy greenish liquid, is the lifeblood of sugar production. The fibrous remnants of the cane, called bagasse, are not wasted. In a sustainable twist, they're often used as fuel to power the mill or repurposed into bioproducts like paper or building materials. Thus, the sugarcane plant becomes a symbol of zero waste, contributing to both sweetness and sustainability. Raw sugarcane juice is far from the clear, sparkling sugar you know. It contains impurities, fibers, and natural plant materials that give it a murky appearance. To purify it, the juice is heated and treated with lime to neutralize acids and coagulate impurities. As the mixture boils, a frothy scum rises to the surface, which is carefully skimmed off, leaving behind a cleaner, golden liquid. This liquid undergoes further clarification processes to ensure it's ready for crystallization. Slowly but surely, the juice transitions from a murky liquid to a concentrated syrup, a prelude to the magic of crystallization. Through controlled boiling and evaporation, the sugar syrup thickens and concentrates. As it cools, tiny crystals begin to form a mesmerizing dance of chemistry and artistry. These crystals are separated from the remaining liquid, known as molasses, using powerful centrifuges that spin at incredible speeds. Molasses, with its dark, rich flavor, becomes a byproduct used in baking, distilling spirits, and even animal feed. Meanwhile, the sugar crystals are dried and polished, taking on the familiar glint of granulated sugar. For most table sugar, the journey doesn't end there. The raw sugar is sent to a refinery for further processing. Here, it is dissolved, filtered, and recrystallized to achieve that pure white perfection. The final product is then graded based on size, fine for baking, coarse for decorating, and everything in between. But sugar's diversity doesn't stop with granulated white sugar. Brown sugar, for instance, retains some molasses for a deeper flavor, while powdered sugar is finely ground to achieve its silky texture. Each variety caters to a different culinary need, adding versatility to its charm. Once packaged, the sugar embarks on the final leg of its journey distribution. Trucks, trains, and ships deliver it to markets worldwide, where it becomes an integral part of kitchens, bakeries, and industries. For centuries, sugar has been a staple ingredient. Choosing sustainably sourced sugar can help ensure that sweetness remains a force for good for people and the planet. Next time you sprinkle sugar on your cereal or savor a decadent dessert, remember its incredible journey. Behind every grain lies a story of transformation, connection, and the enduring magic of turning nature's gift into a universal delight.